Hi everyone, how are you guys? My name is Bruno and today I'm going to show you how to use BIGVU on a web version, but not just that, BIGVU advanced features. Before this, just leave in the chat the city that you are right now, and I assume that you're not a new user because today you're going to see a lot of exciting features that are already available on BIGVU, but you should start using now. What you're going to see today: how to replace the background of your video even without a green screen. So even if you don't have a green screen, you'll be able to replace the background of your videos. What else? You learn how to trim your videos and also how to create clips from the take that you have recorded. How to use the eye contact autofix. This is an AI feature, and even if you're not looking to the camera, BIGVU will fix that for you. Besides this, you're going to see how to use zoom layouts to create a very dynamic video with captions and different effects. And at the end, how to create a video landing page using BIGVU. So these 5 things you're going to see today. But before this, can you please leave in the chat the city that you are right now? And if you are using BIGVU for a while, a few months, a week, you're starting today, if you can just leave in the chat, this will help me to help you. And you can always leave any question in the chat. It would be great to see your thoughts about it. Let me just make sure that everything's working. And we're going to start in 30 seconds. What do you think? Hey Marielle, been here for weeks. That's great. Yeah, going to see a lot of cool things today. Today I'm not saying about how to create a script, record a video, because I assume you already know how to do that, right? So we're going to, after this, how to create an awesome video after we record a video with the teleprompter. Simone, a while. Amy, I'm on my phone, but I would like to see it, this on computer. Where do I go? Amy, if you go to YouTube right now and type BIGVU, just open the channel. The live is there. Couple weeks, Hawaii. Hey Steph, how are you? Been a while. Usually on my phone, but I want to use on computer as well. Been used for about 3 months, loving it. Okay. That's great, guys. So let's start first with the background replacement. Because probably you're wondering, oh, I need a green screen. I need to purchase a green screen to replace the background of my videos. You don't need a green screen. And I'm going to show you that the result that you have with this background that I have right now would be great, would be very professional. And it's almost the same result that using a green screen, because now on BIGVU, we are using AI to replace the background of your video. So let me show you first the result that you have using BIGVU. And this is the website for those of you that are asking, where do I go? Just go to bigvu.tv and you're going to see this website. There, you can log in, you can create your account, and you should be able to start using BIGVU. If you haven't yet using the web version, just log in using the same email and password that using the app, and you'll be able to see all the products there. Sounds good? After you log in on BIGVU, this is what you're going to see. This that you're seeing now is the BIGVU web version. So we have a few projects here. And as I said, let's start with green screen replacement, background replacement. You don't need a green screen. So how do I replace the background of my videos using BIGVU? Let me open this first project because I already replaced the background. But let's take a look not on the result that we have. Take a look at the original take. This is the original take. Let me play the video and make it bigger. Are you struggling to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more? by providing valuable information in an interesting. Okay, as you can see it, I don't have my background replaced. And it does not look bad. It's a normal background. But what if I click on the three dots to replace my background? I need to see these three dots. When I click on the three dots, I'll have all these options. What I want to show you is that you click on the three dots and you're going to choose replace background. When you do this, you have two options. You can use one of the BIGVU assets from the library. So we have these assets that you could use on your video, or you can upload your own background assets. And besides that, today we have released a new AI feature, and that's crazy. Today we have released a feature that will create images for you. So I'm going to show you now an AI image that was created using this command. I use New York office on summer with a calm, relaxing vibe. This is the command that I wrote there on the BIGVU AI image generator. And this is the result that I got. This right here. Take a look. This image was generated using AI. This, the command that I gave. So you can just click on generate right here at the top and describe what you like to create. The image, the kind of image that you like to create. I love this for creating backgrounds. It's so good for this. I would recommend you guys to test. If you already have a background picture that you always use, you just need to upload. This is a picture that I have uploaded, so I could also use this one. This is a picture, and this one was created with AI. Sounds good? This is the process. As soon as you choose the picture or you generate a picture, just need to click on apply on the top right of the screen. And this that I'm going to show you now is the result. This result that you're going to see now is the generated image that we have used AI. So are you struggling to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more? By providing valuable information in an interesting and captivating way, you can keep your viewers coming back. So much better the same video than the other using this generated AI image. Or this one, that the results a little bit better using this image because I have more lighting on this image. Let's see it. Are you struggling to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more? By providing valuable information in an interesting. Take a look at my hair. Even a curly hair, the result was 99.9% perfect here. So take a look. Your videos could look like this just using AI or using this image that you already have. This, guys, is how you replace the background of your videos using BIGVU. BIGVU for president. Oh yeah. Okay. So guys, this was feature number 1. I have 5 to show you today and to answer any question that you may have. So far so good. It's not that hard to do it. I assume that you already recorded the video, you already have the video. 3 dots, choose the picture, apply. That's it. So 3 steps, 3 clicks. Replace background, picture, apply. That's what you need to do to replace the background of your videos. Even if you have a white background like this one, or purple background, green background, it could be any color, it could be anything. We have one question. If you upload your own image, does it have to be a particular file type or size ratio? If you're using a horizontal video like this one, should be a horizontal image. Just bear this in mind. If you're using a vertical video for TikTok, Instagram, you need a vertical picture as well to have a good result. So you need to have this in mind when you're using an external file, an image that you're uploading. And the file type, it should be a PNG or JPEG picture. Okay, PNG or JPEG is basically the format of all images or most of them that you're going to find online. Or if you are using your computer to take pictures, probably will be one of these 2 files. Sounds good? This is how you replace the background of your videos. Moving forward, I'm going to show you now how to trim the video, because if you made a mistake, I hope that you cannot hear this background noise, but you'll be able to trim the video. For example, if you made a mistake in the beginning of your video, maybe at the end, you'll be able to trim this part from your video. How to do that? Let's go back there And this session, guys, don't worry, will be recorded, so you'll be able to watch again. But let's suppose that now I have replaced the background of my video. I want to trim my video now. Or I want to trim the original take. You can choose. You trim the original take, or you trim the take that you have replaced the background. You can choose the one that you prefer. There are two ways now to trim your video on BIGVU. What you can do. We have a great question. Before I continue on the trimming feature, Pila is asking about the AI background removal. You need the Pro plan. You need a Pro plan to use that feature that I have shown you guys. With a starter plan, you'll be able to replace the background of your video. If you have a green screen, to use the AI background removal, you will need the Pro plan. We have the starter plan and Pro plan. You will need a Pro plan to do that. Thank you for your question. Going back there, trimming. If I want to trim my video, I just need to choose the take that I want. I will click on the three dots. And then the first option that I have right here in the middle is trim video. When I click on trim video, I just need to move this bar to the left or to the right side. And I'm trimming my video, right? These gray areas are being trimmed. But what if I want to trim the middle of my video? I made a mistake right here in the middle. How do I trim that part? You need to create two pieces of this video. The first piece will be before the mistake, and the second piece will be after the mistake. What do I mean? Let me show you. How do I mean? How do we split video? I'm going to show you that, Maurice. But let's suppose that here I made a mistake in the middle of my video. Let me choose the first piece first. Are you struggling to keep? So if my mistake was in the middle, this is the first piece before the mistake. Sounds good? Instead of clicking save at the top, I would choose add to sequence. It appeared right here on the right side. I will go back there now, three dots, trim video, and choose the second piece of my video after the mistake. So here, after my mistake, I just click on add to sequence. And let's suppose that I did another mistake. So I go back there, three dots, trim video. Now I want to trim this part. Knowing what to resonate. And then I click on add to sequence again. Everything in between those takes were trimmed. So I was able to remove the mistakes that I made using the trim feature. Everything is right here on the right side, the takes that I want to use. Now I just need to click on create video at the top. And it's being generated a new take, a sequence is being generated, and I'll be able to add captions, logo, music, and more as soon as it's processed, right? This is one of the options to trim your video using BIGVU. We have an interesting question. Do using AI have to make you look like a robot with that app? Please don't. The goal to use AI here, what we believe is that you're going to use AI to help in the process, but we still believe in that we connect with humans. We still connect with humans, right? If I create an AI video with a robot there speaking, it would not be the same as you see me here, saying that right now I'm in Lima. Lima is known for ceviche. It's great food here they have. And the weather is a little bit cold. Today is a cloudy day. The same kind of connection, you cannot do it using AI or robot. So where are you right now? Someone is in Texas. So I assume in Texas is not that cold. Probably it's hotter. It's a sunny day, probably. Cool feature. Definitely try it out. Great. Recommend you guys to try. And what we're doing, we're still trimming the video, guys. We're still trimming our video. The other way to trim our video, remember that I have clicked on the three dots and choose trim video. This is one of the ways. We have another AI new feature that was released today. So it's still beta. If you want to test, it's the AI clip extractor. What is this? As soon as I click on the AI script extractor, this will appear here on the left side. I can extract the hook from this take if I want. the intro, the value prepositions that I want. I can extract each one of these parts as a new take. So I can save just the hook of this video. Are you trying to post more on Instagram? I could save that as a video, or I can trim this part if I want. And the goal with this feature, AI script structure, is if you have recorded 10 different takes. Let's think together. You have recorded 10 takes. You have a long video. You have recorded 10 takes. You can use the best part of each if you want. So from take one, I'll grab the hook and go to the sequence. From take two, oh, the intro was very good. I'll take the intro. For take five, the ending, the CTA was very good. For some reason, that's the best CTA that I have on that take and not on take one. So this AI feature will help you in this process. How? This is a new feature, guys, so let's see how it's going to work. I love doing live sessions. So take two, let's suppose that I want the hook of this video. So I'll click on the three dots, AI clip structure. The hook is the first part. I'll choose to add to sequence. So appeared right here on the right side. From take three is a different take. Let me go again to AI clip structure. And this one I'm going to choose the value preposition. I want the first value preposition and the second value preposition. From the last take, from take four, I want the third value preposition. So I'm taking the best part from each take, and then I will be able to combine and create this video with the best of my takes. This is a more advanced feature. That's why we are here today, to see and learn about advanced features of BIGVU, right? Because we're not just a teleprompter, not just to record videos, you can do a lot of cool things. This, so far, was replacing the background and trimming the video on the web version. Let me see what you guys have in mind so far. I like to think of AI as not being artificial, but as real intelligence that helps me. I think of it as an assistant intelligence. That's it. So instead of creating a script yourself from the scratch, you can use BIGVU to kind of, okay, now I have an overview, I have the hook, intro, I have the structure that I need. Also, the ideas are more organized than on my mind. It's faster to create this script that you want. That's the perfect description. Okay, what a great feature. Wow, that is cool. We have more, guys. We have more. So far, so good. Let me show you one thing that I think is a little bit creepy, the AI eye contact fix. I have recorded a few videos where I'm looking down like this, or looking to the right side, and the AI just fixed that for me, and I'm looking directly to my audience. Let me show you the result that you can have using BIGVU. So now, guys, third thing, how to use eye contact autofix on BIGVU. I have a perfect video. Let me show you the original take. This is the original take, and please take a look. I'm not looking at all to the camera. Right? You could record videos like this for some reason. If you have a specific reason to do that, you could. How to use AI to fix that for me? Again, I'll need to see the three dots. I'll click right there on the three dots, and I'll click on eye contact autofix. And this, guys, this will be the result. Take a look. This is the result that you have using the eye contact autofix. And what you need to do that, 2 clicks. You click on the three dots and you click on eye contact autofix, and that's it. Just need to wait to process the video, and it's ready to edit, to add captions, replace the background, and do other cool things. What do you think? Would you use that feature? Would it be useful to you? I want to hear your feedback in the chat. Is this good? Is this bad? It's kind of good, because sometimes I think it's a little bit creepy, but the result is most of the time is very good. BIGVU is one of the best investments I have made. Okay, yeah, I would use it. This feature is very good for those of you that are new. If you're, I assume that you're not new, but if you're kind of new using a teleprompter, maybe your eye is still moving when you're reading a teleprompter, right? So you can use that feature to look darker to the camera and your eyes will not be moving while you read the teleprompter. One thing before we move forward, I shouldn't talk about this, but guys, if you're recording the teleprompter and it looks like you're reading, your eyes are moving, what you should do, if you're recording on the web version, just reduce the teleprompter window size. Instead of using full screen, let me give you a real example. So instead of this, if I open a script, for example, this is what you should not do. Don't record using full screen like I'm doing right now. You need to reduce the teleprompter window size to appear just in the middle of the screen if you're recording from the computer, right? So it will be kind of in the middle of the screen. My camera is right here at the top. I'm going to reduce the teleprompter window size and it will be like this. This way my eyes will not be moving even if I'm reading all the lines on the web version. Sounds good? Please use it if your eyes are moving when you use the teleprompter on the web version. On your phone, you will not have this issue. What we have seen so far: replace background, trim videos, eye contact autofix. This that I'm going to show you now is the best thing to create a dynamic video because you're going to see a lot of things. It's not one thing, it's not two things, a lot of things. So how to create a dynamic video? Oops, not this. How can I create a dynamic video using BIGVU? So let's suppose that you have replaced the background of your video looks good, it's the way that you want. It's time to add captions, music, and other cool things to your video, right? How do you shrink the window size for the teleprompter? I can show you guys. Let me just make sure that I have everything set. Instead of sharing one tab, I'm going to share my entire screen. Give me 1 second. I will just share my entire screen and to show you. Okay. Take a look, guys. Now I'm sharing my screen. Okay, this is the teleprompter, right? If I want to reduce the teleprompter size, I just need to click right here at the top and do it like this. This is the way that I would record my video. My camera is right here at the top. Instead of using full screen, I would reduce the teleprompter size to record a video like this. My eyes will not be moving from the left to the right side. I will be able to read the teleprompter without issues and the result will be great doing just like this that I'm doing right now. Sounds good? So you should have these icons at the top if you're using a MacBook. If you're using on Windows, it should appear on the right side. This is how you can change how you shrink the window size. That's how you do it. Let's go back to BIGVU. Maybe your guys are seeing and receive a lot of information today. I hope it's clear so far. So please leave 10 in the chat. If you understood everything that I said so far, please leave 10 in the chat. Just to make sure that we are clear. You understand what I'm talking about. The message is clear because we are about to see a lot of great things, different layouts that you can use, different caption themes, captions effects that you could use. Okay, 10. Okay. You guys are ready? Let's go back there because now let's create a great and dynamic video using that same video. What I'm going to do is loading. Why did not appear? What about now? Let me stop sharing and share again. By the way, all these designs that you guys are seeing on the screen now, I'm also testing it. It's the first time that I'm using. Okay, great. So How do I create a very interactive video? Let me just go back to the main screen so you guys are not lost. This is the main screen of BIGVU, right? I just need to choose one of the projects that I have. It will open to appear all the takes that I have. I just need to click on the three dots. And here, what I'm going to choose is Video Maker. Inside Video Maker, I'm going to do most of the cool editings that I'm going to show you today. I'll choose Open Video Maker. I was speaking in English. I can also translate to multiple languages, the captions if I want. Today we're using English. So let's click on Open. We have the subtitles autofix. We're not using today, but basically it compares the script and the transcription of your video and suggests editings. So if you are using numbers, name of cities, or very specific terms would be very great to you. I would recommend you to use the subtitles autofix to fix these captions for you automatically. I'll click on skip. We don't need that today. And this that you're seeing is Video Maker from inside. Let me just reduce the size. I think you guys do not, let me make it bigger. Okay, if I make bigger, you guys can see it. So that's what I'm doing. I'll be here in the background while you guys see the screen. This is the best way. So what you guys are seeing, this is Video Maker from inside, and what we have here. On the right side, we have segments, right? In the segments, I have captions. I'm providing valuable information. Each segment, I could be using a different layout. So what I want to show you today, different layouts that you can use. I provide this layout that you're seeing is captions, but I could change the layout of that specific segment to split and would look like this. I could use quote and would look like this, highlight, intro, and lower third. All the segments will be set as captions, but the first one by default will be a lower third. Are you sure? But I can change to captions, right? How do I change the caption theme and make it more dynamic? I just need to click on themes on the left side. Again, I click on themes. We are using gradient, but I could change to boxes and it would look like this. Or I could use white boxes. I can change the color right here. So now I have white boxes. And besides that, I could also use custom color. So if I use custom color, it could look like this. Instead of green, I could use blue. And instead of black font, I could use white. And the highlight could be on red. Okay, so you could use captions. You can use your brand colors right here on themes. You can also add animations. So I could use highlight. That would look like this. Audience engaged and coming back for more. Or I could use box highlight and would look like this. By providing valuable information in an interesting and captivating way, you can keep your viewers. I could also use, we have different animations that we could use. Word review, coming back for more. And single word. Single word is great for short videos, especially vertical videos. By providing valuable information in an interesting and captivating way, you can keep your viewers. So you just need to decide the effect that you want. I think I will use box highlight. You could also add a random rotation. Back for more. It's important to maintain a consistent tone and style across all your content to establish brand. Sounds good. So basically we have changed the themes. I'm not using the random rotation. So we have added caption themes. This is what we have done so far, right? We still want to make this video more dynamic. I'm going to take a look at your questions, guys, in a second. Let me just show you everything that you can do here inside Video Maker. I'll click on Add Logo at the bottom. choose the BIGVU logo that is already here. If your logo is not appearing, just click on the plus icon. I need to click on visible at the bottom and choose yes to apply to all the scenes. So now I have my logo on my video. I have my logo, I have captions. What else I can do? Let me start adding different layouts here. So the second segment, let me add a split. Providing valuable information in an interesting and captivating way. Okay, so I have this transition to captions, split, captions. Here, let me use split and split again. So 2 times I'm using split, or even 3 times. And then I'll go to quote and quote. So just by choosing different layouts, that's how our video will look. And besides that, we also have the zoom area. I can add the in effect, so zoom in effect, or a zoom effect in a few segments. Okay, here I can add an out effect. Okay, here I can add an in effect again. So we have played with the zoom area, the layouts area, and this is the result that you could have. Let me click on the play button and let's watch. Are you struggling to preview this up here? Let me just make sure everything's working. Okay. Take a look. Your video could look like this just by clicking here and there. Are you struggling to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more? By providing valuable information in an interesting and captivating way, you can keep your viewers coming back for more. It's important to maintain a consistent tone and style across all your content to establish brand identity and build trust with your audience. Whether it's through written articles, videos, social media posts, or podcasts, stay true to your brand voice. And the last 2 things that I want to show you inside VideoMaker that you can do is to add overlays. I can use my uploads to add an overlay. So those pictures that I generated using AI, they also appear right here. And I can upload my own assets. So if I have a picture, I have a video that I want to show to my audience, I have a slide that I want to show, I just need to click to upload right here at the top. And then I just drag and drop to the specific scene that I want to show. Now I have the video overlaid. And here I could also go to Pixabay on the left and use a keyword search. For example, if I use marketing, I will see a lot of cool assets that I could use. For example, this one. I just need to drag and drop in the specific segment. It could look like this, full screen, or I can even change the layout to split as well. So if I use this split, the picture will be half of the screen and the captions on the right side. If I go back to captions, full screen. Usually, I like to also combine that. Full screen, sometimes split. The last thing that I'm going to show you is to add a music background to this video. So click on music, choose, for example, inspirational. Are you struggling to keep your audience? Or sunny. Are you struggling to keep your audience? The recommendation here, guys, are you struggling to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more? By providing 95% of voice and 5% of music, right? This is the recommendation. When everything is the way that you want, you just click on create at the top. I'll click on create on that video now, on this video now. And while the video is processing, while the video is generating, let me answer any question that you guys may have, because all of that I did just clicking here, dragging, dropping, clicking here, choosing different elements. And I'm going to see that result in around 2 minutes. The video is processing. So, okay. You're having issue with sync issue. If any of you are having sync issues, we need your help because you need your help to help us fix this issue as soon as possible because it's not happening with all the users. It's users with specific kind of devices that we're trying to understand and recreate the issue on our side to fix it. So if you have any kind of audio sync issue, please get in touch with support at BIGVU.tv. If you already have done that, probably sent you a message that we're still investigating. And depending the device that you have, there are a few things that you can try. You can reinstall the app. If you go to the teleprompter settings, there you can also change the camera engine inside the app. Not sure if you have done that. If not, I would recommend you to do it. Other thing that you can test, you can change the resolution. You can test with 720, 1080, 4K video. So you can test different resolutions as well. And you can test with a external microphone and without external microphone. These are the things that you can try to see if it works. And if not, please get in touch with support at BIGVU.tv right here at the bottom, and we'll try to help you out to fix that issue. Can you change the background color of the split screen option? Yes. Yvette, that background, if I go back there, I can go back there. If I go back there, I'm going to show you how. It's a little bit slow, but I assume that you guys can see me. Let me make this bigger. So using a different video now, I want to change the color of split, right?
Love that BIGVU has.
If I go to themes and custom colors, I'm going to see that the background color is this one. So I could use green. So the last color right here on custom is the color of the background. Okay, so you can change right here is the last color. And seems that our video is ready, guys. So let's watch this video, 30 seconds of this video, to see the result of the video that you could create a video like this using BIGVU. This entire video was made inside BIGVU. Replace the background, the teleprompter, the captions, logo, music, overlays, everything was done inside BIGVU. Let's see it. Are you struggling to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more? By providing valuable information in an interesting and captivating way, you can keep your viewers coming back for more. It's important to maintain a consistent tone and style across all your content to establish brand identity and build trust with your audience. Whether it's through written articles, videos, social media posts, or podcasts, staying true to your brand voice will help your audience recognize your content, recognize and connect with your content. Now, I could also use the spacebar. Okay. And these guys that you have seen, this resolution, it will increase when you download the video. So all the videos that you watch inside BIGVU, these are not the resolution of your video. This is just a preview. As soon as you export the video or you download the video, this will be done in the highest resolution available. Usually it will be 1080, okay? Where can we watch this recording? Again, right here. If you go back right here to YouTube, to this channel, using exactly this same link, you'll be able to watch this session again from the beginning. Oh, something interesting. My video are recording blurry videos. Interesting. Could you share a screenshot with support at BIGVU.tv? I have seen one of the users today with exactly this same issue, but I didn't see the result. So if you could please share a screenshot with support at BIGVU.tv, it would help us to understand what could be creating this issue for you. Okay, so a lot of things, right? It's missing the last step. The last step, guys, is to create a video landing page with that video. Because if I want to share that with my target audience, or if I want to send an email to someone using that video, I can. And let me show you how we can create a landing page using that video. And as we did with all the other features. It's easy. Just need to click here and there. Let me just make sure that everything is ready, and I'll share my screen again. Just give me 1 second. The audio didn't seem to match your image. Right now on the live or on that video? If it was there on that video, is my connection, but it is synced. I can share the link of that video with you guys here in the chat. Actually, let me do this right now. So, we are back. How to create a video landing page using that video. You just need to click on the three dots. When you click on these three dots, you have a lot of options. Let me make this bigger again. You have a lot of options, right? What we want to do here is to create a video page. So I'm going to click on video page. Here you can add the description of your video page. So this is a video page that I will share with my audience. Okay, I click on publish at the top and bam, ready. I have my video in a video page. I have a call to action. I have the title and description of my page. If I click on the call to action here, this one, I'll be able to schedule a call. Maybe you're wondering, how do I change this call to action? While I show you how to do that, let me share this link here in the chat so you can watch the video. This is the video page we have created together. Oh, sorry guys, you're not seeing. Sorry about that. Now you guys are seeing. This is the video page that was created. Here on the video page, we have the schedule call icon that I can click, and I'll show you how to change. We have the video in the middle, the title and description. So this video page was created in seconds, 2 clicks using BIGVU. And I have shared the link in the chat. If I go back to BIGVU, to this tab, here, if I click on Edit Templates at the top, I click on Pages, and then Edit Templates. I'm using the call to action one. I can change the background. I can change the call to action. I can change the link. Instead of custom text, could be WhatsApp, email me, sign up, call now. I can add my business information, the BIGVU logo, my information. So everything you can change by clicking on Pages, Edit Templates. And will look like this. This is how our video page will look. And now, guys, the last thing that I'm going to show you today. What if you want to share this in an email? You want to send an email to someone. How do you do it? Let's go back here to BIGVU. When you click on Pages, I want to share this video page with my audience in an email. So click on the three dots and choose Share by Email. When I click on Share by Email, I have this preview, and I'll click on Copy Thumbnail. Again, let me repeat, three dots, Share by Email. I click on Copy Thumbnail. I will open my Gmail account, my Outlook account, my Gmail account, like this one that you guys are seeing now. I'll click on Compose to create a new message, and I'll paste this thumbnail there. If I send this to me, for example, or if I send this to anyone, and I click on Send, this will be the result. I will receive and will look like this. If someone clicks, again, the video page opens. And are you struggling to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more? And they will be ready to watch my video to click on the call to action. So what do you think? What I have shown you today, we started with you replace the background of your video, then trim the video, the eye contact auto fix, all the things that you can do inside Video Maker, the zoom, the layouts, the overlays, the music, the logo, the captions, and now how to create a video landing page and share this with your audience, share this by email using that thumbnail. So it's people will open more, the clicking rate will be higher if you use that thumbnail instead of just a link, right? So test, send to 100 users, 100 of, I don't know, your clients, an email with just a link. And then you send another one with exactly the same video with that preview, that cover, and people just need to click on it and we will open a video page or we'll open the video. The clicking rate will be so much higher using an image. It's more visual. Let's see what you guys have in mind. Game changing features. Okay, thank you. Let me change this music. I assume you guys can also hear this music. Let me change to. Is this better? Okay, this is better. Amazing, love BIGVU. Thank you, really wonderful. I happy I bought this. Thank you for all your service. Thank you guys, love this. Now it's time for questions. If you have any questions, just leave in the chat right now. You can scan this QR code to download the app if you don't have yet. Just use this QR code on the screen. You'll be able to download on iOS, Android, your iPad, your tablet, any device that you're using now. You should be able to just scan this code and use it. Do I need to upgrade to do this? What do we mean with this? The last feature, the video page, you can create a video page with any paid plan. So if you have a starter plan or pro plan, you can create a video landing page. Can you add a thumbnail to the video page video? Yes, you can. You should do this before creating the landing page. I'm going to show you where and how to do this. So before creating my landing page, what I'm going to do, if we go back there to BIGVU, I want to create a landing page with this video, right? So I'll click on the three dots and choose upload thumbnail. If I want to upload from my computer, I already have the thumbnail that I want to use. Or I could use the thumbnail editor from BIGVU to create a thumbnail using one of these templates. So yes, you can create a more professional thumbnail either using BIGVU or uploading an asset that you already have. And then when you go there and you create the thumbnail and you create the video page, the thumbnail will appear when you share the link. Aha. After the video is created, can you still go back and edit? Yes, you can. Let me show you. So, this video is created, right? Are you struggling to keep? I just need to click on the three dots and choose edit. When I do this, I go back to Video Maker and I can continue editing. I can change the color, the music, I can change anything that I want. So yes, I can do that. When is the new AI feature available? Not available on my end yet. Which AI feature, Olivier, which one you're talking about? The image generator, the eye contact fix. Any other questions, guys? Anything in mind? I hope this was helpful to help you use other features from BIGVU. The one you use to edit. All the features that I have shown you guys today are already available on the web version. So maybe if you're using your phone, you're not seeing. Yeah, maybe Olivier, you need the Pro version to use most of AI features that I have shown you today. You need the AI Pro plan, right? So for those of you, how do you add your QR code on the top left with the logo? I'm using a different platform to do this live right now, guys. I'm using Restream right now to run this live. So we can do that on Restream. You can add a QR code. But if you can't, what I would do a background with the QR code on it. The image background, I would use the QR code on it. This is the way that I would do it without Restream, for example. What is this about? Uh, Aiden, this is about BIGVU, a teleprompt. Let me show you one video. If you just jumped in right here, you have no idea what is this. Let me show you one video. What is this? The video is not. Let me show you one video. Let me see. Okay, I want to show you one video, guys. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, it seems that I cannot show you, sorry. Yeah, I'm using the new design of the platform and the video just disappeared. Sorry about that. But basically, you're seeing an advanced webinar about BIGVU, how to use a lot of AI tools to help you in the video creation process, how to replace the background using AI, use captions, logo, music, overlays, and also how to create a video landing page. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your time being here with me for almost 1 hour. If you have any other questions, just get in touch with support@bigview.tv. We'll be happy to help you out. Do you do these live streams often? Weekly sessions here on YouTube, but this advanced webinar, maybe I haven't done maybe in 1 year, 2 years. I do the regular webinars about the app, how to record, edit, basic features, but this one is more advanced. It's for you. That's why you're using the app for a few months, weeks. You want to know more and do more with BIGVU. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you, Grandma with a hammer, Yvette, Emmy. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. If you need anything, just get in touch with support@bigview.tv. Thank you so much. I hope that you have a great weekend. It's almost Friday. Take care, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.